What's really holding you back? Let's talk about productivity. It's become the ultimate badge of honor, hasn't it? Hustle harder, wake up earlier, squeeze every second out of every day. But here's the question. Is all that effort actually taking you where you want to go? Imagine a hamster running tirelessly on a wheel. It's moving, sweating, grinding, but never making progress. That's the productivity trap. The illusion of achievement while standing still. And if you're honest, many of us are caught in it. The first thing to understand is this: being busy is not the same as being effective. Busyness is reactive, answering emails, jumping from task to task and feeling overwhelmed. Effectiveness is proactive, focusing on what truly matters and moving the needle on your goals. So why do we default being busy? Because it feels productive. The constant flurry of activity tricks our brains into believing we're accomplishing something. But in reality, it's just noise. Ask yourself, are you busy or are you effective? That's the question that will redefine your productivity. The first step to breaking free from the productivity trap is identifying your real priorities. What truly matters to you? Here's how you can start. Define your big picture. What's your ultimate goal? Is it building a business, improving your health, or spending more time with your loved ones? Trim the fat. Look at your current to-do list. How many tasks are actually aligned with your big picture? Eliminate or delegate the ones that aren't. Focus on impact. Not all tasks are created equal. Focus on the few that deliver the greatest results. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters. Step 2 is to let go of the myth of multitasking. It doesn't make you more productive. In fact, studies show it reduces efficiency and increases errors. Here's why. Your brain can only focus on one cognitive task at a time. When you multitask, you're not doing two things at once. You're switching rapidly between tasks. And every switch drains your energy and focus. Instead, embrace single tasking. Dedicate blocks of time to one task and give it your full attention. You'll work faster, think clearer, and achieve more. Step 3 is all about creating systems, not stress. Many people think productivity is about willpower, pushing harder, working longer. But true productivity comes from systems that support your goals. Here's how to create systems that work. Time blocking. Assign specific times to specific tasks. When it's on your calendar, it gets done. Batching similar tasks. Group similar activities together, like emails or meeting, to minimize context switching. Automate and delegate. Use tools and teams to handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on what only you can do. Systems free up your mental bandwidth, allow you to work smarter, not harder. Step 4 is something most of us overlook: the power of rest and reflection. Productivity isn't just about doing, it's also about being. Rest and reflection are essential ingredients for sustainable success. Here's how to integrate them. Take intentional breaks. Rest isn't a waste of time, it's a way to recharge. Even a 5-minute pause can reset your focus. Reflect regularly. At the end of each day or week, ask yourself, what worked? What didn't? What can I improve? Celebrate progress. Don't just focus on what's left to do. Acknowledge what you've already achieved. When you rest and reflect, you gain perspective, and that perspective keeps you from falling back into the productivity trap. The productivity trap is a thief of time, energy, and purpose, but you don't have to stay stuck in it. Today, take a step back. Redefine what productivity means to you. Focus on effectiveness, not busyness. Create systems that support your goals, and remember, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about achieving more of what matters most. You have the power to break free from the trap, and when you do, you'll unlock a level of clarity and progress you've never thought possible. So let's start today.